and temperature. These are our specific objectives. 1. Identify whether a solid, liquid, or gas is hot or cold. 2. Classify hot object and cold object. 3. Describe changes in materials based on the effect of temperature. Solid to liquid, liquid to solid, liquid to gas, and solid to gas. Answer the pre-assessment by choosing the letter of the correct answer. Use capital letter, then do it on your notebook. If you got a score of 5, you are still encouraged to answer the activities given. But if you got 4 and below, you must complete the module. What are the safety measures and precautions that we must have to remember in handling solids, liquids, and gases? What are the hazardous symbols that we must have to keep in mind to avoid accidents? Now, let's proceed with our new lesson about the hot and cold solids, liquids, and gases. I know that you are familiar with the term hot and cold. Mostly, liquids have many examples of hot and cold. Search the solids or liquids that is either hot or cold. Encircle your answers. 1 is done for you. What are the hot and cold objects that you've searched? What is the process they undergone before they became hot or cold? Example, coffee. How does coffee become hot? What did we do? We heated it. How about ice candy? What did we do to become cold? We put in a freezer or refrigerated it, isn't it? So, heating and freezing has great effect on the changes of solids and liquids. Changes in temperature from time to time makes the objects hot or cold. There are many changes of objects, such as solid to liquid. Example, ice candy. When it is refrigerated, it is hard, and if it is melted, it becomes liquid. Liquid to solid. If we put water in a freezer and when it becomes hard, it is considered as solid. Liquid to gas. Example is if we boil water, when it is boiling, its smoke is an example of gas. Solid to gas. When a dry ice, because it is made of carbon dioxide, this is a gas, undergoes sublimation. There are no remnants of liquid forms. Remnants mean leftovers or remains. These are small remaining parts of something. Guided activity 1. Here are the objects that you've searched. Identify them if they are hot or cold by checking the appropriate column. Then write on the last column the changes that may occur to it. Do it on your notebook. One example is given for you. You identified already the hot and cold objects. So at this time, classify the objects as solid, liquid, or gas, and put them under the appropriate column of hot or cold. Put happy face on the blank before the number if the object is hot, and sad face if the object is cold. Describe the changes that may occur to the following objects. Choose your answer here. Solid to liquid, liquid to solid, solid to gas, liquid to gas. Write your answer on the blanks. Do it on your notebook. Write true if the statement is correct, false if not correct. Do it on your notebook. Describe its group of objects as cold or hot. Write your answers on the blank. Do it on your notebook. Identify the following objects, then describe if they are hot or cold. Put check on the appropriate columns. Do it on your notebook. What did you learn from this module? Fill in the blanks to complete the paragraph. Read the situation, then write your answer on your notebook. Let's read together. One rainy afternoon, your lolo and lola came to your home. They want to talk with your mother. But since your mother is not yet in, you let them enter in your house. While waiting, what will you prepare for them? Why? If you are done with the application, answer the pause assessment. Use capital letter to indicate your chosen answer. Describe the changes that occur in these pictures. Write your answers on the blanks if it is solid to liquid, liquid to solid, liquid to gas. Some answers may be repeated. Dear parents, guardians, brothers, sisters, or caregivers, if you want to ask something, you may call or text the teacher. I am hoping that you will enjoy all the given activities in this module and you will learn something. Thank you very much. You may start answering now your module. Good luck!
Ayasak di kabenggetan.
Ayasak di kabenggetan.
Programa abinukel iti Department of Education, Division of Benguet, tapno agtultuloy nga maipaayan ti adal, dagiti patpatgen ken dungdungwen tayo nga anak, nga agbasbasa, uray ita agdama a pandemya. Ayasak di kabenggetan.
Ayasak di kabenggetan.
Na isang sangayan